What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's another day. I want to go ahead and just show you guys what I picked up. Oh my lord, I got myself a Snell certified helmet. Snell 2015. You can see back here. Here's the official stamp. I paid like 200 bucks for it. It's a really good deal. I wanted the vents. That's the reason why. If I wanted the what's it, SA 2020 model with the vents, it was like 30 bucks more. So why not save some money? I already spent some money on the S2000 to get ready for the track next week. I'm going with Zosh. If you follow him on YouTube, you know he has a badass Time Attack Integra that's K-swap. We're gonna go there. We're gonna run the track. Gotta get the car ready. I actually have to raise my car up. If you watched my last video, you know that I talked about it being too low. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Just right there, it's sitting a little bit too comfortably on the fender. I want to raise it up maybe half an inch. That should be enough clearance. And working towards the back, it will look like that when I'm done. I'm debating about raising the rear, but I actually am okay with it looking like that. Pretty excited. I got my first helmet. I have a motorcycle helmet, but it is actually DOT approved, not Snell approved. This one is 200 bucks. You can't go wrong. I got it on eBay. Gonna definitely sticker bomb this thing up. Probably take off the Z and stuff like that. I don't really like the Z, especially on that. Thank God it's a sticker and not painted on. Gonna rep some stuff that I have and just, I don't know, make it my own. You know what I mean? So let's see how that looks. Oh man, it's a nice little shape. I got a small. You're supposed to measure your head, and mine was kind of like between small and medium. I figure I get a small. It is kind of tight. I did wear it on earlier after I unboxed it, but it's okay. It'll wear out eventually. Foam always wears out, so looking really good. Here it is next to the S2000. So if you guys wondering, I do have my buddy's car in my garage as well. My buddy Guy. It's a Sylvia right-hand drive, as you can see. Really nicely done. Just got the full kit on. It's gonna eventually get this wrapped or painted later, but what we're doing here is we're removing the tint. As you can see, I just removed the back window. I gotta scrub all that adhesive off and then, you know, cut out the tint and actually do the job. I've already did the side. We're doing an 80% clear tint. It is ceramic, so it's going to help with IR and UV rejection. Windshield's already been done. If you look very closely on the matrix of the glass, you can see the air bubble. That means the thing is tinted. So it looks really good. My car actually has the same. I have 80% all around ceramic. It looks like there's no tint, but it has a blue tint on there, and it looks really good with the white. Another cool feature about my buddy's 240, I'm sorry, I can't say 240. His Sylvia is the Project Move brakes. These are some baller ass brakes, guys. Oh man. And of course, behind it, or actually in front of it, are these bad ass freaking wheels. Oh my god. Look at them. Nice Enkis. Really cool. Really suits the car. Let's go towards the back. Got a carbon trunk with a carbon spoiler. That's always badass. Needs a little wash, but cool car. So I didn't want to do too many videos on this one yet, not until he's done with it, but I just want to show you guys that I do work on my friends' cars from time to time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and raise the car up real quick, and then we're gonna go take it to the alignment shop and get it aligned. That's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll show you guys the stance before and after, but I definitely want to make it more functional, just because it's just, I can't risk damaging the fender. Alright, so the goal here is to loosen that right there and raise it about, I want to do half an inch. I think half an inch would be safe. And then we're going to see how it looks like on both sides, and then I'll decide if I want to do the rears. But for now, half an inch should be alright. I think 1 inch would be too much, probably look close to stock. So let's go ahead and just loosen that up real quick and raise it up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do a 1/4 inch raise. Part of me want to do 1/2 inch. Half might be too high, to be honest with you. Alright, so I think a 1/4 inch is good. That seems to be adequate. Adequate enough. Like, this is a little bit too uncomfortable, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same 1/4 inch on both sides. That way I can leave the rear alone. Yeah, I can leave the rear alone because it'll be almost the same on all corners, but you won't know that until I measure to the fender or something like that. So it's getting hot in here, but yep, let's go do the other side.
"11 minutes later."
Alright guys, so we're finally back in the garage. It drove really nice. The tires are really sticky, but not too sticky. I'm excited as hell to drive this car on the track, and shoot, I hope I can vlog it all. I'm gonna bring my GoPros. Please subscribe and like the video if you guys are excited. We're only a few days away till the track event. Finally gonna get myself some more seat time, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Peace.